When the 1960 Chrysler 300F was unveiled to the public, it cemented the Chrysler letter series into a class of its own and was hailed by the press as the most beautiful car America has ever built. Its sleek yet elegant aircraft-inspired bodylines were complemented by a 6.8 litre V8 powerhouse, delivering groundbreaking performance for its time. This resulted in its fitting nickname, the Gentleman's Hot Rod. Only 1,200 of these iconic vehicles were built in one short year of production, and only 969 of those were coupes, making these 300Fs very, very rare. This particular car, as you can see, has undergone a 10-year restoration at a cost of well over $250,000. It's amazing, and have a look at these seats. Imagine if a late model car had a feature like this. It would really be something special.